sports and go swimming too. And we have a blast when in the Ruach room. We do lots of art as well as sing some songs. When do we get snack? I hope that it will not be long. Field trips are so cool. Camp's an awesome place. Something new and fun happening every day. We were once in Olive and Bed, and it's so new. But now we are on the Ruach team. Maybe when the time is right, we'll go on an overnight, eating tons of s'mores, and sleeping on the floor. Now you are in Ruach. Come on, show what you got. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. Ruach's where I wanna go, oh, oh. All the memories that we do create. Lanyards and gaga, going to Boogie. There's so much we can do, and we all agree that we were one.